Glass. Glass is a mystery. I mean, it's been used commercially and more so for art for maybe 3,500 years. Actually, I think more than that. They've found glass in Egyptian tombs, in the pyramids. And yet, glass is still a mystery. It's kind of a black box when you're trying to process it. The people that are the real masters of glass can't tell you logically how to make the glass or make it work for them. They know intuitively. It's an intuitive science, glass working. And in the case of Rayotek, what we've done is we've taken that intuitive science and we've turned it into as quantitative as it could be. Basically, glass is an art that we've turned into a technology. And we're rather proud of our ability to take and work glass and make it work for us. It's kind of like a relationship. You have to make the glass, get the glass to work for you.